everyone, I'm going to be showing you how to find all of the parks within the community on Viridian Life today. So once you open Viridian Life on the web version, you'll see Parks and Trails at the top of the page. On the app version, you will have to click on the menu button in the top left corner. Once you click on that, towards the bottom you'll see Parks and Trails, and that'll take you to the list of all the parks within the community. Now if we scroll all the way to the bottom of this page, you'll see Viridian Trails. This will bring up a trail map option, which is going to give you all of the trails for Viridian along with most of the parks. Now going back, let's go ahead and click on Raspberry Court Park, which is one of our newer parks that we've added. This will bring up a directions button at the bottom. And this will open the map app that will take you to the exact park in the community and give you directions on how to get there. Now all of the other parks listed on this should give you exact directions. If you have any other questions on how to get to parks or anything else, do not hesitate to contact the VRA office.